In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to remove recent searches from File Explorer and boost your privacy. When you go to search for something, you'll see your recent searches. To clear an individual item, click the cross icon next to it. But if you want to clear all of them, proceed to the next solution. Go to Search and type Settings, then select it from the list. On the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. On the main pane, click on Search Permissions. Scroll down and you will get Search History on this device section. There, just click on Clear Device Search History button. After that, come to Search tab on taskbar and you will find all recent searches gets removed. And you will get Suggestions section. In this way we can remove File Explorer search history. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.